crack your neck every day? That signature pop is more complex and potentially more dangerous than you think. It's called cavitation. When your joints stretch, pressure drops, causing gas bubbles to form and collapse instantly. It's not bones rubbing, it's fluid dynamics. But doing this constantly, the real danger? Forceful rotation can tear your vertebral artery. Watch closely. A blood clot forms at the tear, travels straight to the brain, and triggers a sudden, life-threatening stroke. It's rare, but is that one pop really worth the risk?